Wayne Brown here at the Ram Man. This is that booster that we got back from Bergman Autocraft right here. And of course, they complained about it getting smashed up and having the nicks. And we repainted it and repaired it. And then we went to test it on the Bendix tester. Of course, we test everything to make sure. And voila, here's what we found. Somebody's taken a piece of tape and they've wrapped it around the rear hub because so here's what we notice. This typically happens. We see this when people don't enlarge the firewall hole as instructed 1/8 of an inch because these second gen hubs are bigger and they jam it in the firewall hole and it breaks these hubs. So here we go. We've got a one destroyed tandem diaphragm second generation booster. Alright my friends, God bless you, God bless America, and happy Mopar.